Hi, my name is Claire Shipley, and for the Web 2.0 tool I chose Padlet. And so this is just a blank Padlet I created. And if I wanted to create a short vowel lesson for my second grade students, I could add almost anything I wanted. So there's a few options here to upload, take a picture, link something, image search, or here are all the options available. So I first want to choose the upload option. I pulled a short vowel picture from Google Images. I saved it to my desktop, and now I can upload it to my Padlet. Let's try it this way. There we go. So there it is, the poster on my Padlet for my students to see. And then the other tool I found interesting was, let's take a look, the YouTube option. So a lot of the spelling skills we practice in second grade are accompanied by short videos from YouTube. So right on YouTube, I could type in short vowels, hit search, and then I could just take a look at some different options. And let's say I liked this fish, click on it, publish it, and then my students could watch it straight from the Padlet, or they could expand it and watch it from YouTube. Now the third option I really enjoyed was the link option. So let's say I found a short vowel game. This is from education.com. I could copy that link and then paste it right into the Padlet, publish it, and then once my students get on this Padlet, all they do is click it and it takes them right to the game.